Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are here at IMTEX 2025, day 1, and we have with us Mr. Philipp Zimmerhackl, Managing Director ZET-CHEMIE. It's good to meet you, Philipp. To start our conversation, can you tell us more about your company, what it does?
Sure, yeah. Thank you very much for inviting me. We are a family-owned company located in the southern part of Germany. We are a specialist in the field of metalworking. So we supply to our customers all liquids they need for their metalworking process.
And Mr. Philipp, what sort of products and solution is your specialization?
So we try to supply to our customers all products they need for their application process. So first of all, we supply them with our lubricants, which is our core competence. We have water-soluble, water-mixable products. We have oil-based, meat oils, cutting oils. So this is the first production step. The next production step normally is to clean. So we supply them with our cleaners, solvent-based cleaners, water-based cleaners. And that's the last processing step. You normally have the rust prevention when you have ferrous metals. So here they get our rust preventive products.
Okay, and can you let the audience know more about your association with Zavenir Daubert, about the collaboration, how it is shaped up?
Yeah, we have a collaboration with Zavenir since a good year. So we're starting to get product launched. We have some product running already in India. We will extend the portfolio according to the needs, to the requirements to the customers here. We have some special needs, I would say. The climate is different, the water is different, so the water-based products have to be adapted a little bit. But we have a very, very good, very close relationship. We have talks, we have conversations almost every second day with Zavenir. We are here now to support, to train, and we are very looking forward to extend that partnership and also to take part in this great emerging market in India.
And to take it further, Mr. Philipp, today we are here at day 1 and we are in the second half of the day. So you must have met Indian customers, and also what sort of response you are seeing from the visitors who are coming to your booth looking at your products. And we are here at your, I can say it's sort of R&D or lab testing facility.
Yeah.
So what sort of responses you are getting from the customers?
Now we get a good response. So first of all, it's nice to be here. It's nice to be in India. It's so impressive. The country, everything we saw the last days, and here everything is crowded. We are coming from a smaller village, so we are not used to have that many people. So when you have the exhibition here and compare it to a European one, when the visitors were not there, you had as many people as you have in a full crowded exhibition in Germany. So a lot of people are there. That's great. A lot of interest to products, and people are very open. So when you talk to them and show them your products, your solutions, they're open and say, come to the blend, check everything, try to find a solution. And that's great to see how big the interest is and how they want to move forward.
And since now you are, it's almost a year you are in India. So what is the difference you see the customers you are dealing in Europe, US, other parts of the world, and in India? The difference you are.
Yeah, it's difficult to say. I mean, customers are different. In Germany, you have different kind of customers. You have very big ones, OEMs. You have very small ones, and the same is here. We saw more big customers here, which work not that big. There's not that big difference between Germany and India from the machines, from the processing, but I think a big difference from the circumstances. As I said, temperatures are very high, so all the measurements we do here in a lab, for example, you have the values are affected by temperature. So you have to take into account that temperatures are different. Temperatures and water is always maybe not a good combination. When you have high temperatures and high chlorine content in water, it will affect rust. So you have to adapt products a little bit to higher temperatures, to higher chlorine contents, and I think that's the most biggest advantage, or not advantage, the biggest topic to face on, and that's what we see as a big difference. But working processes, machines, also guys are very good trained already here, our team, so difference is here not that big in knowledge.
And Mr. Philip, we are sitting, standing here at R&D facility. So are you sort of consulting here also? Whenever customers are coming, I can see a lot of samples.
Yeah, we try to, but our team is already perfectly trained. They know a lot. They not doing it for a year. Zavenir Daubert is doing coolants for longer, so they know a lot about it. So we don't have to train that much. Maybe a little bit adaptation to our products, product types, which are maybe a little bit different to the ones before. But the general knowledge is already there at our partners, so that's great and easy for us.
Okay.
We can relax a little bit here.
Lastly, I know it's a day one and you have a lot of other commitments. Lastly, one message from your side to our readers or the people who will listen, your message to the visitors or to the industry, why they should come and visit your booth and try your products. Your message to the industry.
As I said, the Zavenir team is a very big expert in coolant, in lubricating, in rust prevention. So if you have problems, if you need solutions, come here, talk to our experts, perfectly trained guys, and they will help you and they will support you. And then you will have a great partnership together.
Ladies and gentlemen, do visit Zavenir Daubert booth at hall number 3 and don't forget to meet Mr. Philip and Mr. Modet. Thank you. Thanks Philip.
Thank you very much.
And danke.
Danke.